Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here from LazyGoose. This is a set of headphones. Oh, these are open up here. These are nice. They have a nice, fancy looking box for it here. Although, can I open it? There we go. Plastic covering. Got this, cases. Wait, it's got everything. Okay. These are the headphones. They're actually fairly light headphones for all this packaging. So this is the box that it comes with. Comes with a little leatherette kind of case, I guess, to store them in. Got some instructions here as well. And then it's got this box of trinkets. Let's see what we have in here. Oh, I dropped something. Oh, we have an adapter here. I guess for charging it, it's gonna charge through this little 4-pin kind of thing here. Since these are waterproof, so since they're waterproof, they'll just magnetize on and do it that way. You don't want to have an open hole in there. So it'll plug in through USB, or it also comes with a little adapter. So you could use USB-C, which like my Mac has. Okay, so we have that. And then we can turn it on. It looks like on the bottom here, it looks like there's a button here. It said power on pairing. So let's see if I go into Bluetooth, if I have one in here. Let's see, Openear Bone F1. I do have Openear Bone F1 on there. So let's see, is it gonna connect to that? It says connected. I heard it say connected in there. So let me go now, and I'm gonna go try to play some Spotify here. Just play something. Oh, not now. Ooh, this one sounds really good. Yeah, that's cool. So it sounds good. And so it comes with, like on me, you can see there's the extra space back here. That's what you can, sorry, it's so loud. You can use that to connect up to it to kind of give it a little, smaller feel for it. So that's what's good about this. So it's gonna fit any size head. What's also good about this one here is you can just go like that, stick it in water. It's a swimming headphones. So that's cool. Comes with this little case. In this case, we have a couple of earplugs, so you can use earplugs on that as well. These are nice, actually pretty nice. No, there's not a hole all the way through. So there, now I have headphones on. Now I can't hear anything. Because it's bone conduction though, I can have the earplugs in and I still hear it. And it's still playing the music. Don't know if you guys can hear it. But I don't know, it's playing the Sam Smith song. But yeah, so these are sweet. So these are great for swimming, and it's got a long battery. Like these one here, they say they have up to 27 hours, I think, on Bluetooth, or 25 hours if you've downloaded MP3s to this with it, which it lets you do as well. So this one here is the Super Deluxe Premium one. So I'll probably download a playlist of songs to this one and be able to use it that way, but I could also do it Bluetooth, like to my watch or whatever like that. So if I'm out there swimming or running or doing something else, I'll be able to still listen to my tunes and still hear everything around me, because that's what's good about these bone conduction ones. You see, it doesn't even go in my ear. It just kind of vibrates into my ear. So that's sweet. So this is good. And now I'm wet, but this is really cool. I like these headphones a lot. So if you want some the super premium ones here, the Openear Bone F1s are ones to get. Thumbs up, very cool.